Hello everyone, welcome back to Building with Bufus. So we're continuing on our very important build. We're working on the sandbox today. So we're going to try to get this, at least the frame of this built, get the frame set where it's supposed to be, haul some the sand in. If you noticed in our last video, at the beginning of the last video, that we were over to the gravel pit getting some sand, more sand for the sandbox. So we got all kinds of sand over there. We're gonna try to get these cut up and get the frame set up at least, and get this sandbox build done. We'll see if we can make it happen. So here we go. All right, so now you notice we got all 4 sides cut. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to use the level, and we're going to level that piece that goes up against the swing set, make that level, and then we'll build off from that. Whether or not we got to, you know, dig one piece in, pick the other piece up, whatever we got to do, we're going to try to get that somewhat square. Once that's square and it's still somewhat sitting on the ground, then we'll get the sand, fill it in with sand, and call it good. We're not going to get too extravagant with it, just want to try to get it. The other good thing about this is this is going to help secure the swing set, so the swing set doesn't tip back and forth if they ever want to swing on it. But all right, so I'm gonna level that now, and we'll see if where we can get that, put a few screws in it, make it happen. So everybody, just so you know, so these are 1/4 inch by 4 inch, so 1/4 inch around, 4 inch hex head lag screws. Well, they're not technically lag screws. They're alternative to lag screws. So I'll show you the box so you can see. They're a structural screw, grip right structural screw. So see, it replaces lag screws. So I started using these on a couple other different projects. Used them up here on the swing set. They hold really well. They work really well. I've really enjoyed using them. So I've started using them on just about everything I do, where I need a decent amount. Yeah. So sorry about that. As you can see, that was a phone call. So I had to take that for a second. So anyway, as I was saying, these structural screws. So yeah, check them out. The good thing about them is I don't know if you can see this or not, but they've got a lot of teeth, and they're very coarse threaded, and it's good for different, like pine and other type of lumber that, you know, if you're trying to get it to go together, as compared to like regular deck screws, things like that. So these seem to be working really well for me, so that's what I'm going to keep going with. But all right, so we got this first one all screwed up to the swing set, so now we just got to put these other ones on, get them somewhat level. That back corner, it looks like, is going to give us some issues. It looks quite a bit higher than the rest of the setup, so might have to dig that down a little bit. I don't know, we'll see, but we'll keep going. So everybody, looks like we got the project, or this build, done. At least for now. So, well, I'll either take a rake or, if you look here, that big pile that we just hauled in there, I'll either take a rake or maybe even the backhoe and push that off, flatten that all out. So, yeah, for now, this build is done. So, if you stay tuned, in the next week or two, we are going to put a cover on this. So I had an old sandbox for the kids years ago, and I built that same kind of cover. It's a multi-function cover, and it's designed so that the kids can open it up, use it, close it when they want, keep stuff out, and it will keep animals and other stuff out of the sandbox, and so you don't have to worry about it. But if you saw the other video the other day, some of that hemlock that the trusty old log loader unloaded, that's some of the hemlock we're going to use to saw out for this cover build. But that I'll share that video with you as well. And if you haven't seen it, go check it out on the channel here. But yeah, so we got to saw that stuff out and get that ready to build this cover. But for now, we're running out of daylight, so we're going to call it for tonight. So appreciate everybody stopping by and like this video. And if you like this and other stuff that we're doing, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate that. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping in. Bye.